Hello. So, Always Ready Wilderness Survival, and of course the day after the tornado, we did come out, and the boys had started a shelter, and that's what's left of it now. I guess the high winds yesterday, and it just wasn't, it didn't stand up to it very well. But they're going to start the real survivors here.
Yeah.
This is Sam.
Yeah.
And we're going to start working on it again. See if we can build it back. But you can see the place to build this between 4 trees. And all you're doing is cutting the logs and placing them in between it, taking, whatever you can find, debris and everything else, and throwing on top of it. And we even have a tarp there. They got a couch cushion left over from somewhere. But in a survival situation, you're going to find whatever you can find. That's what we're doing. We just happen to be pretty close to our house, so we can find some pretty good stuff. But we're going to go ahead and rebuild it.
Yeah.
And yeah, you going to rebuild it?
Yeah, but now what they want and what the down.
Yeah.
We want to see it.
Yeah, well, between the 2 trees. That's what we're going to do.
Yeah.
So we're going to put ourselves to work today. And we've got a little hand saw. We've got a machete. Of course, we've got the bug out bag. It's always handy. And we're going to throw it together today. We'll put the video out to you. But the main point of all of it is hold on a second, is get outside, get your hands on it, and get to practicing these things. You couldn't drive a car before you jumped in it and went. You had to practice first. You couldn't do a lot of things before you practiced it. So, when it comes to survival, get outside and practice. All right, just want to throw in there real quick. These guys are working to tear it down, and we're going to start over. We're going to do a lean-to.
Yeah.
And what I want you to think about before you do is look up above you and kind of make sure nothing's going to fall on your head. Be safe while you're doing it, because in a survival situation, you don't want to get hurt. So you want to move slowly. Right, you're right there with me, ain't you? Amos is moving everything. He's getting it out of here. It's famous Amos and Surviving Ivan. But the thing is make sure you're doing it slowly. Make sure you're doing it safely. Pace yourself. And back to the practice thing.
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect at this. So you get out there in a survival situation. Yeah, set it down there. Get out in a survival situation. You'll be practiced up, and this will be comfortable to you. You'll just wait for somebody to come get you, but you're going to survive the night. You're going to keep your core temperature up. You're going to get you a shelter built. Keep the wind off of you. And then we'll work on the basics of fire and build you a fire. You can sit there and wait for people to come and get you. We'll work on signaling too, right? Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. Yeah, you're both carrying it. This is a good job. All right. Okay, as we build this, what we're doing is kind of a trash shelter and a lean-to. Hold on a minute, buddy. Yeah, just hold on. This is going to be, your main board's going to go across right here. Okay? And your limb, not board. But your longest ones are going to come up through. And then your smaller ones are going to work zigzag, back and forth. Just lean them all the way up. And what you do is you work into a smaller limb and a smaller limb until when you get to the top. And then throw a bunch of small limbs on top of it. And then we got a big old pile of leaves back here. We're going to throw that on top of it. So it's actually going to be, you're with me, ain't you, bud? You got something right there on your nose. All right. Yeah, you guys they want to be on video today. But we're going to build it all the way to the top. And then we're going to throw the limbs, smaller limbs. And then we're going to put the leaves on top of it. So if you don't get a fire going, because you got to look at time of day. It's early in the day now. We've got plenty of time to put a shelter together. But you want to make sure if it rains that this is going to keep the elements out. And if you don't have time for a fire, you want to make sure it's small enough. That's another thing about shelters. You don't want to build them up here where they're real high and you can walk into them. You actually want to crawl into a shelter when it comes to a survival shelter, because it keeps your core body temperature right. Keeps the heat in. Smaller areas, easier to keep warm. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to build it up with those limbs, and then we're going to cover it with leaves. So it'll be a lean-to and a trash shelter. Okay? Thanks. All right, so what we got so far, they've got sort of a shelter going. They're getting lazy on me, but this is where you start pushing. And they've got a shelter. You got enough of one. But here's the thing what you do. All right, you're going to put the limbs on there, okay? And you're going to fill in the holes. And then you're putting leaves on top of it. That's the trash shelter side of it. All right, they've got an entrance over here. All right, but look at this. You get inside of it, I want you to notice something. Look what I'm looking at up above me. It's going to rain right on top of me and them and everyone else. So, right out here, look, got holes everywhere. Surviving Ivan.
What?
Is this a good shelter?
I don't think so.
It's not. So let's get busy. Quit swinging on the grapevine and let's get busy. Come on. It's not a good shelter. That's what they're saying. So, all right, we're going to work on this a little bit more. Sam, is it a good shelter?
No.
All right, why are you eating crackers and not building a shelter? Let's get busy, all right? Okay, and doing survival, here's another thing that you're going to have to deal with, especially whenever you have a family. Here's my help.
Hey! Hi!
They basically just give up on me, but that's what's happened. So you got to push them. You got to make sure they get stuff done. Their trash shelter's actually looking pretty good. They've got this so far. The thing is getting them out there in the woods and making sure. Let me get here where you can have a look at me without the glare. Making sure that they do the work is tough, but don't get out there by yourself and do it. You know what I mean? You by yourself may get stuck in a survival situation, but the likelihood of your family being there is real. So if you're going to practice, get your family out there with you, you know, get your wife, get your kids, you know, and build a shelter for real. Get some water for real, you know, start building traps for real, and, you know, get the practice in. I'm going to practice on getting these guys off their butt and get them to build this shelter, and I'll holler at you whenever we're done. Okay, let's get it done. All right, so we're piecing a little bit of this together, but as you can see, they're starting to. This is actually, Sam, we're going to do the video, buddy.
Yeah, but not there yet.
I'm having troubles here. But I'm sitting in the shelter right now, and they're actually filling it in good. This is going to be, I'm going to step out of it here. They're getting some limbs, leaning up against it, putting the leaves on top of it, and then putting limbs over top of it, so the trash shelter side of it. Let me climb out of this thing, and I'll show you. All right, guys, don't mind me. Get to work. But you can see they actually have a really good shelter going there. Ivan, climb in there real quick. See what I mean? He's right down inside of it there. He's got a good shelter going. Amos is working hard here getting limbs and putting on top of it. You kind of break them and lay them flat and then throw the leaves around it. As like I said, when you get inside of it, you need to look, see if there's any, if you can see daylight, that's going to be rain on your head, okay? Another thing you do whenever you get it finished is get you a little fire going inside there, smoke all the bugs out. But we'll get back with you whenever they're done. That'll be the last one, and then we'll close this up, and that'll be the first video for building a trash shelter on Always Ready Wilderness Survival, right?
Almost day, but I don't know almost day.
Yeah. All right, so there's Sam. Sam's done for the day. There's Ivan. Surviving Ivan is done for the day. And what we've got right here is, this is, you know, it's not perfect, but it's a trash shelter. It will keep the elements off of you. Amos is working a little bit of overtime there, but we took the trees and allowed for an opening. And then we've got an area in there for one person that can sleep. So as you can see, there's still a couple holes in there that we're going to work on. And that's the big thing. Before you finish, make sure that you fill in the holes. You see the hole? Yeah. You fill it in with the leaves.
Yeah, but they start down at there.
Yeah. Well, not those trees.
Have a window.
Yeah. He made him a little window. But the thing is, you got the idea of it. You can place your fire right here in front of it. You still got some daylight left in a survival scenario. Then you've got a place to sleep for the night. And now you set you up a fire. Start working on water and signaling for people. Yeah. Well, good job. You guys say Always Ready Wilderness Survival?
Yeah.
Say it.
Always Ready Wilderness Survival.
Where you at, Amos? Right there.
Survival.
Yeah. Good job, Sam. Bye-bye.